Hi, welcome to IBM Cognos Analytics. In this video, we'll learn how to start a new report from scratch and add data items to give it a clean, structured layout. From the hamburger menu, click on Report to begin. Cognos provides a range of built-in report templates. For this demonstration, we'll select the blank template to build from scratch. The report editor opens with an empty canvas. We shall start with List, which is the most common structure for tabular business reports. Now we add the data source, which already provided by Cognos as sample data. We'll select the Technology Inventory Data module. This is a pre-built, governed data module containing school-level technology supply data. Once connected, all available tables and fields appear in the left panel. The module contains two tables: Tech Supply Score with field school, year, enrollment, and Tech Supply Score, and Tech Supply to School with detailed device and resource fields. We'll work with the Tech Supply Score first. Simply drag fields one by one from the left panel into the canvas. Double-click School, then Year, then Enrollment. As each field is dropped, a new column appears instantly on the canvas. The report now has a clear four-column structure. In Page Preview, Cognos instantly fetches live data from the module and populates the report, showing school names, academic years, enrollment figures, etc. The right side panel shows formatting properties for the report layout. The upper part of Layout shows various tools, showing formatting options including font, color, alignment, borders, and data item settings. This gives you full control over how each column looks and behaves. Once your data items are in place, Cognos gives you powerful sorting capabilities right from the toolbar. Using the sorting tool, you can arrange your report data in ascending or descending order with just a click. Thank you for watching. To know more, visit IBM Cognos Analytics.